Riga. Thank you for the follow, everyone. AI, sorry pa. Sorry pa. Yes, baby, so what? Kobe Bryant. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to my live. I all greet you. Okay, so hello, everyone. Welcome to my live. I love you so much. Mm, mm, mm. Hi, Tang. Asimo. Ano yun? Kama. Hi, Dragon. Welcome sa ating live dyan. Shy type pala si Asim. Thank you for the follow. Wala tayong pa-music eh. Ay, hi agency. Thank you for the draft. Gonna follow you back, Kyle. Following na kita, be. Teya, akin ka na lang. Depende, be. Full body. Full body daw. Sige mga babe. Hi, babe ko. Hello sa'yo, babe. Sige, lalabatin ko yung phone ko. Itong isa lang naman. Yung isa yung naka-charge. Hello, Mary. Hello. Ano yan? Paano? Ano ang lakas, boss? Ang lakas, boss. Anong boss? My princess. Thank you. Masyadong kababa yung isa. Yan. Much better. Kanina pa ako rito nagla-live. Muhammad. Hello, Muhammad. Thank you for the follow. Hello, Liam. Thank you for the follow, everyone. La, la, la. Hello, everyone. Laka. Thank you, Maureen. I love you so much. Thank you. Ano bang want nyo? Stand up, please. Why? I'm wearing, I'm wearing sexy shirt. Shout out to all my viewers. 500 viewers. So shout out to all of you. Lin XG. Patikim naman. Ay, patikim. Hi, taga saan ka? Germany versus Australia, Vietnam. Living now? Not, baby. Parang galing ka pa sa gym. Hindi naman, babe. Joke lang. Anong joke lang? Hindi ko nabasa yung joke mo. Thank you for the follow. Thank you everyone ha. Beauty cutie baby. Thank you. Wag mo nang basahin. Oo, nabasa ko na. Nag-backread ako. Hello everyone. Tayo ka. Bakit? Hi. Hi you. You rush? You rush? You rush ka. Love ya. Love you everyone. I love you baby. Love ya. Hindi lang kayo may I love you. May pa-flying kiss pa kayo. O, diba? Saan na kayo? Kay Thea na kayo. Hello. Thank you for the follow, Jason. Yankee. Sakit ng lips ko. Thank you. Ano daw? Alan Norkaya, the most great and all-knowing, the all-hearing, the all-seeing, does not eat, does not sleep. What do you mean, B? You follow me, the lemon. Why, baby? Hi, hello. Ilang oras na ba ako nagla-live? Wait nga, try ko yekis. Ilang oras na ako nagla-live mga B? Ay, 1 hour na pala ako nagla-live. Kaya pala iba na yung pakiramdam ng eyes ko. Thank you so much, B. Love you so much. Thank you. I love ya. I love you so much. Thank you for the draft, B. I already follow you. Hope I can get some follow back. Ano daw? Di alam mo, ang ganda mo, di ba? Pwede tago mo. Maayos ang... You are very fit. Fit for what? Fit? What is fit in your... I mean... Oh, nothing. Never mind. Anong suot mo sa baba? Ano ba? I'm wearing... Ano siya? Sexy short. High waist. Ano sa baba? Laki ng woman ko. Okay. Be, may futures wife, bebe. Mag-jacket ka kaya? No. Uncomfortable. I don't need, thank you for the light stick. Thank you so much. Hello, love ya. Love you everyone. And especially to, what is it again? I don't know how to read your name, B. Epoclick ba yan? Hello, White. Ano daw? Hindi ko nakita yung name niya. Hi, White Dragon. Welcome to my life. Nagbabalat yung labi ko. Kakasalita. Ganyan dapat ka-sexy. Huwag itag. Sexy ba? Uy, laki. Laki ng mata mo ah. Huwag mo ibaba. Ang alin? pag ibaba ang ano, standard. Char! Confidence. Confidence yung movie.